back to my channel, everyone. Hope you're all doing well. And so today I'm going to go ahead and show you my simple makeup routine. In this, I'm using the Hydromaniac Tinted Glow Hydrator right there, and it said it's medium coverage and it's in the shade 80 Deep. Alright, so I've already done my brows. I don't know, I'm not good at doing brows, so what I do, I just put it on like that. Oh, some fell there. I use either this beauty blender or one of these. So I'm going to go in with this one today. And this is my mirror there, so I'm just gonna tap this, and if you can see, it blends right in with my skin. So it blends right in. Okay. Just like that. Want to get a good blend on that. Blend everything in. It's blended. If you can see, it's like an exact match for my skin. Okay. Then after that, I'm going to go in. And I love this. This is the LA Pro Girl Concealer. And let me see what shade this is in here. It's in the shade Fawn, right there. So I use this as my highlight. And again, I just do this. Alright, so I just do this under my eyes. I'm running low. You can see I really use this a lot because, because even if I don't wear makeup, I tend to put this under my eye. If any dark circles I may have, I put this under my eye. So with one of these little things here, and I'm just looking down into my mirror, and again, I just blend this in, so nothing significant. Okay, just blend this in. And you're going to see this is going to be really quick. I don't know if you guys see those TikTok. I don't know if you see those TikTok where they go in one person and come on another. It's not the video, not that kind of video. I'm going to still look the same. So I just do this right here, contour, just like that. And this is in the shade, I believe this is Espresso, right there. And again, it's LA Pro Girl as well. I don't do a lot again, so I just do that. And that's probably why this one still has a lot in it, because I don't do a lot. Alright, so what I'm going to do is just do this. See how nice it blends right there? I really love this, you guys. It blends so smooth. And again, like I said, nothing significant. Okay, that's it. And for the eyes, I'm going to go in. I don't do the, whatever the thing they put on, I don't put anything on my eyes more than the eyeshadow. Primer, yeah, I don't use the eyebrow, the eye primers. I just go right in. And this is the Morphe palette. And I'm just using this shade right here. And again, just really, just one color, guys. One color. I don't do a lot. One color. Other eye. And So really quick. Okay. So make sure that's blended. And I kind of just bring it just below right there, like that. Okay. Just like that. And then to further blend it, I use a brush here, and I just do this. Just blend everything. Blend it up, blend it up. Okay, don't put any lashes on. I think my lashes are long enough. So just go in with a little eyeliner here. And this is a Hard Candy Stroke of Gorgeous. Wow, right? Okay, and again, I just put a little on. Put this down so I can open this. Right there. And I just do the edge right there. Just like that. And then I smooth that out right there. Okay? So just bring it a little under there. And then I'll do the same for this eye. Then real quick, and I'm not a great makeup person. This is just how I do my makeup, you know. I know some people go to school for this. I didn't. So I wouldn't do anybody else's face, but this is just how I do mine right here. And you know, if you mess up, you could just put a little concealer on there. And just to tighten that line up. And then I'm going to go in with some mascara right here. This is the one I'm using. This is by Burt's Bees. Right there. I didn't even know they made mascara, but I found this. I don't remember which store I went to. I think it was at Ross or Marshall's, one of those. So I just picked it up because I love the Burt's Bees lip product. So, alright, and again, really simple. Just go in, and this brush is amazing because it's so thick. It's big and fluffy, so just fluff your lashes. Get well right there. Okay, and voila. That one is done. Again, guys, really, really simple. Not doing a lot. See how I messed this up? I'm going to clean this up right there. Yeah. Again, I am no expert. Okay, and that's that. So my eyes are done. And I like it. Alright, so I'm going to go in now. I'm going to take this brush right here. I'm going to go in with some blush. And this is the LA Colors. I think I got this at the Dollar Tree. This is from the Dollar Tree. Oh, all this makeup, by the way, came from Ulta Beauty. I did a video on that, but trying to upload it was heck, so it was just too much. I'll still try and see if I can do it, get it up later in the future. I'll go ahead and do it. Okay, but that's it, and then I'll just do this. That's it for the lips. I'm going to go in with this NYX Lip Pencil. I love these because they just never come off. You got to really go in and take these off. And this is in the color Espresso. This is comparable, by the way, for the MAC Chestnut that everybody raves about. I'm actually getting that. And I'm going to go ahead and compare it so you can see. Yeah, it's comparable to that. Oh wow, here. If you guys can see what I'm doing, because I'm looking in the mirror. Here. Just like that. Okay. Alright, so after that, I'm going to go ahead, and the lippy that I use is by Ardell. I think I got this at Sally's Beauty. This is in matte whip. What color is this? This is in just a 7M01 Deep Marks. Right there. Focus. You can see that. Alright. And this is not sped up so you can see how fast I can get this done. Yeah, I just do that. It looks pretty bright, but it goes off in the matte and it gets duller, so that's it. And that is it for my makeup routine.